right, so this is the 2018 Mac Mini that we just added some RAM to. I'm at my wife's desk right now. This is her computer. I would never keep my desk like this. But that's besides the point. So her current iMac is dying. So why not upgrade her to this? So I'm just gonna install some stuff in the ports. I picked her up a USB-C monitor. And all of her peripherals are in it. Yeah, exactly. So
you ordered her.
So that's there. I'm gonna plug this in. Let's see. I'm gonna get her peripherals. Plug it in directly. So as you know, with these Apple keyboard and trackpad, when you plug them in directly, they go over USB, and that's how they initially pair. So we'll plug them into USB so that they are no longer paired to her iMac. Then I think the final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cannibalize the Ethernet connection from her desktop. So if she has anything...
To the switch, right?
Yeah, exactly. So now, we're just gonna fire it up. Let's hope it works.
Yep. And if it doesn't, we're gonna have a big problem, right?
Yep. So the light came on.
This is the status light.
Yep.
This is the status light, if you're wondering.
Hold on, we'll show them the screen, bud. So don't see anything yet. Uh-oh.
Did something on the screen? It's booting up.
Let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's make sure it's on the right input. So on USB-C, it is... Yep.
Apple, yay! The Apple logo finally came on. Don't think that this is the old computer. That is the old computer that is dying. This is not a real computer.
Why did it change to yellow? Oh, interesting. Okay.
English.